Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can book now and pay later on Agoda. So I'm just going to search for a destination here real quick. For instance, Paris. Let's just click a random date here and press search. You are going to have to click on the hotel first to see if they have that option. So let's see if they have it. So there's a pay later option. You're going to select it and they're going to give you the room so you can pay later. Then you're going to select book now. Once you're on this page, you can select the choose your payment option and select pay on like when you're staying here. And there's a free cancellation before you stay there, I guess, or you can either pay now here, but you can choose to pay later by pressing this button. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.